Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.